SSD portable. Up to 2,000 megabytes per second read. Up to 2,000 megabytes per second write. That's dependent on USB-C. Okay. Good for us, right? Good for frickin' us. Ooh, that's really nice and tidy. So there's this little tab up here that you just pull this apart. Oh, that's adorable. So you can see right there, there's the hole. And then that's where our USB-C is going to go. And then we're just going to feed it in like so. Yep. Boom, boom, boom. Right? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Kingston's ready to go now. Yeah. So that's honestly like the same size as what we paid 15 bucks for. I mean, literally, it's like the same frickin' size. Hold on. So this was 15 bucks. Look at the size comparison between the two, between the Uni, which honestly, pretty happy with that purchase, and the Kingston. I'm looking forward to seeing how this thing runs. We're gonna test it out on both on the PlayStation 5 and on our laptop, okay? All right, we're living on cloud 9 now, buddy. Yes, yes, I love it. Oh, that's so beautiful. Yes. All right, so now that we're plugged into our PlayStation, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to our media gallery, options, select multiple, boom, 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 boom. All right, I went ahead and finished. For 166 files, let's see, how long did that take? That took about 15 minutes. So that's not too bad, actually. About 15 minutes to copy 166 files. I'm gonna hook it up to the computer, and then we'll see how quickly it transfers to our PC, all right? Don't go anywhere. All right, let's take a look at how quickly it takes to copy it to beautiful Asus Zephyrus S15. So, we just go ahead and unplug it from the USB-C, and then we go ahead and just plug it into this Thunderbolt port. Start her up. So what we're going to do now, we can take all of these, copy them. How many is this? I've got 218 files here. Okay. So we're going to copy that. 218 files. How long is it going to take to copy 218 files, which is essentially 86.5 gigabytes? We'll see how long this takes. Paste. Holy cow. So it said the write speed was about 2,000 megabytes per second. Right now it's writing at about 700 megabytes per second. So like literally like 86.5 gigabytes of data, it's going to end up writing to the solid state drive in the Asus Zephyrus S15 in like a whole minute and a half, that's phenomenal. Like, wow! Are you seeing it, bro? I mean, it's flying, man. Wow! Wow! I gotta tell ya, that's pretty cool. So by comparison, I was impressed by this little guy doing like 80 megabytes per second. Our Kingston XS2000 is literally doing 700 megabytes per second. Wow, look at that. Look at that. 5 seconds left. 10 items remaining. Boom, done. Holy cow. If you have a USB-C drive, whether it's an SSD or just a drive reader, it's going to be it's almost guaranteed to be compatible between your devices. This Kingston SS2000, pretty awesome. It's a 2 terabyte portable SSD, costs around 250 bucks. I really like it, man. SSDs are really the way to go when it comes to speed and ease of use and transfer. One of the reasons that we're not getting 2,000 megabyte per second read and write speeds with this is because this is a 3.2. Neither one of these are a 3.2. The Asus Zephyrus S15, that's a 3.0, 3.1 at best. That's a late 2020, early 2021 model right there. And yeah, we get what we get with the PS5.